Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best playset is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your backyard, offering endless hours of fun and physical activity for your children. Imagine the joy on their faces as they swing, slide, and explore their own private adventure zone, fostering creativity and imagination right at home. This isn't just a toy, it's an investment in your child's development and a central hub for family memories, transforming ordinary afternoons into extraordinary adventures. We've scoured the market to find the ultimate playset that promises durability, safety, and maximum entertainment value for your little ones. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our innovative splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the cool water sprinklers. We prioritize your child's safety and well-being. This shallow wading pool is parent-approved, BPA and phthalate-free, ensuring worry-free outdoor play. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational experience. This splash pad combines outdoor play with learning, fostering healthy development through fun activities. As a proud American company, we stand by the quality and safety of our products. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to help if you need us. What we like. This splash pad is designed for parents who want to combine fun and learning. It features an educational mat to help your little ones learn while they play. If you are looking for a safe, shallow water play option that also stimulates your baby's cognitive development, this is the perfect choice for your backyard. What people say. The swing set is very sturdy and well-made, with durable materials that seem like they will last for years. My kids love the different activities available on the playset, including the swings, slide, and climbing wall. It keeps them entertained for hours. The assembly instructions were clear and easy to follow, and all the necessary hardware was included. It took about 3 hours to put together. Number 4. Jungle Gym Kingdom Trapeze Swing Bar Set. Encourage active play with our versatile trapeze bar. It's the perfect addition to any backyard playground, making exercise fun and engaging for your children. This hanging bar comes fully assembled and is incredibly easy to set up. It includes everything you need for immediate enjoyment, making playtime hassle-free. Take your outdoor play area to the next level with these exciting swing set accessories. They are designed to bring endless joy and adventure to your children's lives. Designed with safety as a top priority, our sturdy and secure accessories are a favorite among parents. You can have peace of mind while your children play. Upgrade your existing playground equipment with this fantastic addition. It makes active outdoor play possible every single day, promoting a healthy lifestyle. Built with heavy-duty materials, including a 48-inch chain and locking carabiners, this accessory is made to last. It's ready for countless hours of fun. What we like. This accessory is for those looking to enhance an existing swing set or playground. It adds a fun monkey bar element for climbing and upper body exercise. If your kids love to climb and you want to add a challenging and engaging feature to your outdoor play area, this is a great upgrade. What people say. Very sturdy. All the grandkids use it. Easy to install on existing swing set. Works great for my 4-year-old grandson and will adjust as he grows taller. Great play structure bar. My daughter enjoys have the options of the bar or handles to hang from. Number 3. Backyard Discovery Buckley Cedar Swing Set. This is the ideal starter swing set for your young children. It's perfect for them as they begin to discover the joys of active outdoor play. The raised play deck features a colorful canopy roof and mesh panels. This provides shade and visibility, inspiring imaginative exploration. 2 classic belt swings with rope chains are included. They are gentle on little hands and won't pinch fingers. This 6-foot wave slide offers swift and safe descents. It guarantees endless fun every time your child uses it. Equipped with 4 climbing holds, it doubles as a ladder. This ensures safe and easy accessibility to the play deck. A dedicated drawing surface is built right in. It lets your kids showcase their artistic creations and imagination. Enjoy added peace of mind with our industry-leading 5-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of this playset. What we like. This playset is an excellent starter option for younger children. It offers a variety of activities like a rock wall for climbing and a chalkboard for creative expression. If you have toddlers or preschoolers who are just beginning their journey into active outdoor play and you want a safe, engaging, and imaginative space for them, this is the ideal playset. What people say. The swing set is very sturdy and well-built, providing a safe and enjoyable play experience for children. The playset features a variety of activities, including swings, a slide, and a climbing wall, offering diverse entertainment options. Assembly was straightforward and took about 2 hours with 2 people, with clear instructions provided. Number 2. Backyard Discovery Lakewood Cedar Swing Set. Discover an elevated clubhouse with a vibrant canopy and windows, designed for endless outdoor fun. It's the perfect spot for your little ones to explore and imagine. This playset features a charming lower playhouse with a welcoming door and windows. It provides an inviting space that sparks creativity and imaginative play. Transform snack time into a delightful experience with the built-in picnic area and snack bar window. It's ideal for enjoying treats or playing restaurant games. Enjoy versatile swinging fun with 2 classic belt swings and a trapeze bar. Multiple children can swing and play together, creating joyful memories. We stand behind our product with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. This ensures added peace of mind for your family's enjoyment. This playset offers a complete outdoor adventure, combining a clubhouse, playhouse, picnic area, and multiple swinging options. It's designed for hours of active play. What we like. This playset is perfect for families who want a complete outdoor entertainment hub. It features a clubhouse, a lower playhouse, and a fun snack bar area for imaginative role-playing. If you have multiple children or love to host playdates, and you're looking for a playset that encourages social interaction and creative play with diverse features, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Recommend 2 persons to assemble or calling the company to have them assemble for you. Otherwise a good buy and sturdy for the kids to play on. I think it's perfect for our toddlers, ages 2 and 3, you're able to adjust the swing height quite a bit for their growth. This set is not difficult to assemble, but you do have to have time and patience. There are a lot of parts and I recommend 2 people. Number 1. BIERUM 9-in-1 Toddler Playset. Introducing the BIERUM 9-in-1 Toddler Playset, designed for endless fun and development for children aged 1 to 3. This vibrant blue and yellow playset offers a variety of activities to keep your little ones entertained. Crafted from safe, odorless HDPE material and certified by ASTM and CPSIA, this playset is built to last. Its sturdy structure supports up to 154 pounds, ensuring a comfortable and secure sliding experience for your child. This activity center is packed with fun, featuring a climber, slide, basketball hoop, and ring toss. These engaging elements help promote coordination, encourage adventure, and foster diverse play skills. It comes with ring toss games and fun toys like a whistle button, encouraging interactive play between children and parents. These additions bring even more excitement to playtime. The anti-slip staircase design includes acceleration, deceleration, and buffer zones for safe transitions. Wide waiting areas, dual handrails, and anti-slip steps ensure your child can climb and slide with confidence. Perfect for any setting, this playset is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's easy to assemble and disassemble without tools, and heightened guardrails add an extra layer of safety. This playset is an ideal gift for toddlers aged 1 to 3, promoting physical activity, coordination, and balance. It offers a sense of adventure and accomplishment as they master climbing and sliding. What we like. This is a fantastic option for parents of toddlers aged 1 to 3 who want a compact yet feature-rich play structure. It combines a slide with basketball and ring toss games, promoting coordination and active play. If you're looking for a versatile playset that can be used both indoors and outdoors, and you want to encourage physical activity and motor skill development in your little ones, this is a perfect gift. What people say. This 9-in-1 toddler playset combines functionality and charm with its soft pastel colors and child-friendly design. It's an all-in-one playground perfect for toddlers, featuring multiple activities that keep little ones entertained and active. Multifunctional design includes a slide, climbing wall, basketball hoop, ring toss, and more, offering diverse play options. Safe and sturdy, made from durable, non-toxic materials with rounded edges to ensure safety during play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.